JVIZ Tag List allows your dashboard audience to visualize keywords associated with your data. Similar to how a web page or social media post displays hashtags to better categorize content for search engines. Setting up the visual only requires adding your tag field. This should be a text column where each row contains a word or phrase you want in a tag. Duplicate tags in your column are okay. JVIZ Tag List will only display unique tag words. Customize the look and feel of your tags by adjusting the roundness and background color for all tags or individual tags by toggling the Show All Colors option. The font for your tags can also be stylized, so you can display tags on your dashboard that match your brand. The tag border can also be adjusted, including the line style, border color, and border size. JVIZ Tag List is a lightweight Power BI visual that provides a familiar look and feel many of us experience when searching through social media content. Why wait? Try JVIZ Tag List free today in Microsoft App Stores and be ready to captivate your audience with an informative visualization.